method are we using? Okay.
Welcome back to another video. In this video we are gonna finally get rid of this curtain and we're gonna put a door in here. We do want a really nice door in here with triple glazed glass, nice insulated door with new framing, but that's something we can't really do this year since also the floor, this part here needs to come out. This concrete, I want it flush with the floors, and we need to do pipes underneath, so we will need to smack all of that out anyways and pour in a new little slab underneath the door and put in a nice frame. All this wood frame all needs to be changed because it's rotten on the bottoms. It's not like it's bad, but if we want to go lower, we anyways need the wood go lower and a bit skinnier on top because this is 190. As you can see, I'm nearly hitting my head because I am 190, so but yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put again a temporary door. I know it's not nice, but to make a nice beautiful door it's gonna take a long effort. We don't want to rush it and just make whatever, because I think that's something that we need to spend some hours on, and we need to make it by exact sizes that it's actually gonna be. So with that one gone and a new frame and everything, so we can make it proper. So for now we have an old door that close enough fits that way, and the height we need to maybe cut it a bit shorter because this is really short door. But let's go on to the barn and bring the door over and see exactly how it fits and what needs to be adjusted on it.
So that's the door we're using?
But it's a door. That needs to be higher up than lower.
Okay.
So, can you open me maybe that door? Might be easier. We could cut it here on the wheelbarrow as well.
Yeah. So the frame is sideways?
Yeah, this is...
And the door is sideways-ish.
183 we need to cut it.
So everything's sideways. So we gotta cut it sidewaysly enough, sideways, to fit sidewaysly.
Yeah, we'll just cut it straight and it will just be sideways on the door. Looking through my personal scrapyard. Whoa, it's a hammer! It needs a new handle, I think. Whoa, look at this cool little thing. Should bring that inside. Okay.
Why is those two boxes outside anyways?
Huh?
Shouldn't they be inside, those two boxes?
I don't know. Oh, that's great. It's the correct one, it's just someone cut off the spike. Where's the brother of the other one? Ooh, look at this knife with an antler.
Let's go try it. Perfect.
I give them a scrub.
So these things we actually had bought for our tower extension between the bedroom and the extension we built. In summer we wanted to put a door, but we never did, so it comes in handy now that we need it.
Yeah.
Those are some long screws.
Yeah, we don't have a lot of live wood left. Try to see if it fits at least in the hole. If it doesn't fit in this hole, then now we have a problem.
Ooh, nice. Honestly, that fits pretty good, even because we need to lift it up a bit. Still gonna fit nicely, because now it's fully sitting on the floor.
It's just here. It's a bit short.
A bit.
But we'll add.
We could add like an overlapping front.
No, we need a wood here anyways for the lock to work.
Okay.
So we'll just fill that gap. Overlapping wood also would help quite a bit.
So weird to have a door here again.
It's like we tried to clear the paint, but gave up somehow.
Yeah, we're kind of rushing it, and yeah. Okay.
It's a good gap, yeah?
I think
So
so.
it's a lot,
Can you
right?
check?
So if it falls down, we're good.
No, check. I think so.
Okay, can you do something to put between theirs, or you're just gonna hold it for me flush like this?
I can hold it like this.
Wow. With my own fingers. It doesn't break the wood, which it is doing, right?
Oh, really? Yeah. Okay. Stop. Stop.
Get closer and spit it in.
Wait. Okay?
Yeah, let me see.
Those are not easy to unscrew because they're not screwed on. So we kind of messed it up, like always.
I mean,
I hate doing hinges on doors.
I guess it was bent. This thing is bent. The one that is on the bottom, I was going by that to be flush. But I guess that's bent, and I could have just screwed that in and it would have bent.
Because what we don't show you is that whenever we do door hinges on doors, we always unscrew it like 5-6 times until we get it right.
This is the one.
This is a one-time thing.
We somehow aligned it pretty good, though, I must say.
So I don't know if you saw it, but yeah, it does not really close. Really stiffy.
Yeah. It's like a good needle. Good, we could chisel the wood off either, as well. That would have worked. That would also work. Because we are pretty flush, right? Bottom interior, like, is asking to be a bit more. Which it can go a bit, actually. But the top, like, it would be a really flush door if we get the wood not to be bending so much. So we could just get a chisel and chisel some of that wood away.
Sure. Anyways, that frame is not.
It's not staying, yeah, it's ruined in every way possible. So it's been an hour since we got started with this project, and we already have a door in. Now we just need to make it close and click in, and then we're gonna start worrying about making it sealed more. But I feel like that's gonna be a big difference.
It already is making a big difference. Like, I could feel the cold. Like, here I could not stand because it was cold. Now, either I got used to the cold.
No, it's...
But it's definitely, even this, like, 30 minutes.
A lot of cold, yeah.
It was closed. This makes a difference. Oh, so
You have
excited.
some sort of calculation written down.
Yeah, no, I told you 37.
Oh, that's under 375, I think it says.
Hmm.
Because it's under the paint it goes. That's not our written.
No, we would never write anything on the door.
Someone did some math.
On the door.
Under all the layers of paint, so that's like original. Are you sure? How would it not come off with my grinding? It has a bitty come off, I guess.
We have discovered ancient numbers.
Yeah, that's definitely under the paint.
Okay, let's now get to fully sealing it.
Easy. And 3.5 here.
Wowza! That is perfection, and that wood is from the other frame that we cut out exactly 3 centimeters. How did you find that?
I don't know, and it's exactly the same height because the other door was exactly the same height.
True, I did not even notice that.
Doesn't need any work.
That's how we roll.
Maybe we go in sandpaper. Just
And one a bit of a sandpaper, and then
just
it's
not to get splinters, and we need to take out all these rubbers.
okay. I mean, that's not the most difficult. That is absolutely beautiful for like 1.5 hours of work.
That's how we do it in this town.
I know it does not look the best, but it does its job.
For a temporary door, it's a lot better than you would expect.
Exactly. I was actually really worried how it's gonna turn out for a temporary door, but I'm actually loving it.
Cool. Whoop. Now, where the hole goes, I need to see. It's not gonna be pretty. My chisel is awful and I don't have smaller chisels. I need to invest in some chisels. I mean, I could have brought her out there. Sounds overkill for such a quick little job.
Perfection. Evie! What have you been up to? Evie, you wanna go inside? Evie, there's a door. $83.
80, not 90.
83. You're not a 2 meters. That's the whole point, that you were hitting your head because you're 1.90 meters. Perfection. Honestly, that door is gonna be more sealed than our front door.
Maybe, yeah. Well, that's the point, isn't it? Oh my god, it's so much warmer.
It's really
It
warm.
did not make such a difference before.
It kind of looks like a really proper frame, like adding wood on wood.
Yeah, but that is the
Like it would?
easiest way to build a frame if you don't have a bigger outer.
pretty nice.
We literally just redid this frame, and it even looks nice without
It
all the
looks
chop
nice.
outs.
Yeah, it looks
Maybe
really
from
nice.
the front it has this, but
Ah, it's okay.
you could go over it with the plate and cover it.
I'm okay.
Let me see. How close does it get?
Ooh, nice.
Yeah, if we put rubbers there, it's gonna be nice.
Getting better and better.
So it is installed. It is definitely feeling the difference. Still, we need to add rubbers. We still need to give it maybe some sort of treatment. We're gonna get rid of this paint. So let us know in the comments if you have any quick solutions of how to remove this paint. And yeah, so we can do it outside because it is minuses. I'm not sure if any method, like most methods work, like paint removers. Sandpapering it is quite of a mess to get it off, but we'll do that next time. We still have holes here, but this is not looking the best, so I have to work on some of these. And these lines here, they are not sealed, most of them. They had like put like caulk or something like this kind of mixture. But we are gonna close them up probably with wood silicone, kind of like what you use for floors. So we're gonna use that, and that's kind of it for this door. It turned out a lot better. I'm happy how good it turned out actually. And the hinges, the fact that we were able to use the old hinges and didn't need to add new ones, made the life so easy, and really easy to remove from these hinges. You lift it off and done. But they're also really solid, you don't really feel the problem. We do need to grease them up because it is a bit slow opening, but these hinges have not been used probably in many years. So that's why, as you saw how they looked, and they were just sitting outside as well for me in my basket. But that's pretty much it with this video. Hope you enjoy. We're gonna see you next time. Bye bye.
I am so happy.
This side looks a lot better.
Yeah, I know. We should also take that up and put it as a curtain. We should also do that maybe, so we still have it.
Yeah.
But as a curtain, because now it's just stapled down and it's annoying.
Yeah.
Okay, beautiful.